Alright guys, just a quick little video. Boosted LS. So I got the 5-inch dash, digital dash here. So as you can see, it's basically a RPM gauge and a speedometer. So yeah, we got 6 individual windows at the bottom here, so you can see. So you can actually make those whatever you want. And as you can see here, I've got boost, coolant temperature, battery volts, IAC position, idle air controller, oil pressure, fuel pressure. So pretty much the most vital things. And of course we got a 3.5 screen here, so we just go to monitor, and then we got multi-gauge right there. So you can set this up too, and as you can see, we've got the oil pressure, fuel pressure, boost, manifold, air temp, battery volts, coolant temp, ignition timing, and of course it says stall now because it's not running. So yeah, so between that and this, we should know what's going on here. We got another RPM gauge here, and this is the digital AEM speedometer. Well, all these speedometers are GPS controlled. You can see that. So the bigger one is for the AEM digital one, right there. Right now it's saying 0, and this guy is also saying 0. So right there, and you can change from kilometers to miles per hour just by going back and changing some of the settings. Anyways guys, yeah, so quick little video. So that's what we did tonight instead of going on live, so appreciate it. Yeah, boosted LS from inside. It's pretty cool actually, and that thing's really cool. Lights go off and on when you yeah, so there it is. 1.5 second fuel pump prime. Job for the day, guys. Anyways, appreciate it. Talk to you later.